Hi everyone. Today Priyanshu, uh, is online sharing this video so that I can spread some awareness about some of the things that are going on during this lockdown period in the pandemic time. Please, it's my humble request to all of you, please do not let our old people of our homes to step their foot outside their homes to buy the essentials as well as non-essentials that is required at this particular time. And if possible, we as a citizen can help them to bring what are the essential needs for them. And as per the reports, we have also found out that they are in the grave danger sections of the society. Their recovery rates are also very minimal, so we have to think for them. And the next thing is, as India uh, goes on grows to hold one of the pillars of this multipolar world, we cannot afford to see such type of situations as it happened in the styrene leak case, as it was perceived by everyone in Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. And the next is the laborers being killed by the freight train. They were sleeping laborers. They walked some 40 kilometers and they were taking sleep. I don't know why, who gave them the suggestion to sleep on the tracks, but then also it is entirely unacceptable as part of India. And thirdly, I'd like to say that uh, our country, India, cannot afford more longer lockdown than this third stage. So we, the youth of our country, should be well prepared for fighting this pandemic time. And what more I can say is, just stay home, stay safe till the lockdown, and we as a we won't hesitate at the time when we will have to stand against this virus and have to contribute our side to fight against it when our time comes as an army man. uh, we will always have to stay from our comfortable situations, as ships are not built to be kept on the shore. As we know that ships are very well preserved, and they do not have any kind of risk when they are at the shore, but it is not the thing that they are meant for. Especially it goes with the youth also. We are not there or to be preserved as some antique pieces at our homes. We have to fight against it. And lastly, I would just say that Corona harega, India jeetega. And thanks everyone for the patience of your listening. And a very happy and cheerful Mother's Day to all of you. And salute Ma Tujhe Salam to all the mothers of the country, India. Bye bye.